Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to fix a Whirlpool oven that's overheating and displaying a fault-detected error, so it stops shutting off unexpectedly. First, turn off the oven and unplug it from the power outlet for safety. Waiting a few minutes allows the control board to reset. Next, check the oven temperature sensor. A faulty or misaligned sensor can cause the oven to overheat. Locate the sensor inside the oven, remove it carefully, and inspect it for damage or loose connections. Replace it if necessary. Inspect the heating elements for any signs of damage or burn marks. Damaged elements can overheat and trigger safety shutdowns. Replace any faulty elements according to the model instructions. Clean the oven thoroughly, especially around the vents and fan. Blocked vents can cause heat buildup and lead to the fault detected message. After checking the sensor, elements, and vents, plug the oven back in and run a test at a low temperature. Make sure it heats evenly without shutting off. If the problem persists, the control board may be malfunctioning and require professional service or replacement. By following these steps, you can fix a Whirlpool oven overheating issue and prevent it from shutting off unexpectedly. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.